Today we're going to be looking at how to add integers. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how to add a negative plus a negative integer. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we're being asked to calculate the sum of negative 6 plus negative 12. So clearly here we're dealing with the same signs, and as we can see up top here highlighted in yellow, in order for us to solve this, we're going to add the absolute values together, and then we're going to use the sign from the original problem in our answer. So the first thing we need to figure out is the absolute values of both negative 6 and negative 12. Well, a number's absolute value is that number's distance from 0. So for negative 6, that's going to have a distance of 6 from 0. So the absolute value of negative 6 is going to be 6. And now for negative 12, well, negative 12 is going to have a distance of 12 from 0. So the absolute value of negative 12 is 12. And now we're going to add these two absolute values together. So we have 6 plus 12. Well, that's going to give us 18. And then now we're just left with the step of figuring out the sign of this 18, whether or not this 18 is positive or a negative. So in the problem originally, we were dealing with two negative numbers. So this 18 is going to be a negative, so it's going to be negative 18. So when we calculate the sum of negative 6 plus negative 12, we get the sum of negative 18. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to calculate the sum of negative 22 plus negative 11. The first step is to figure out the absolute values of these two numbers. Well, negative 22 is going to have an absolute value of 22 because it has a distance of 22 from 0, and then negative 11 is going to have an absolute value of 11. Now we're going to add these two absolute values together, and 22 plus 11 gives us 33. And now we need to figure out whether that 33 is a positive or a negative. We're going to use the same sign from the original problem, and here we had two negatives in our original problem, so our 33 is going to be a negative 33. So when we calculate the sum of negative 22 plus negative 11, we get the answer of negative 33. So hopefully by now you understand how to add integers, specifically how to add a negative plus a negative integer. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.